I've been taking my sweet ass time. I didn't want to eat all the food because I didn't know how much you wanted.
Oh, that would have been...
Careful, don't stab each other in the face.
You were gonna eat it anyway!
Don't you love the logic?
We have to send this to Storm. We do.
Don't fall off the bench now. She poof.
Not anymore.
Are you okay?
I'm stuck.
She's stuck. Inu, act your age. What is wrong with you? Look at that, look, she turned red!
That's what you get. Score.
This is what you get for not hanging out with us for too long. You could become desensitized.
I win. I just turned
It's
on my
Cousin
best
It.
friend.
Look, it's Cousin It.
He started it. No, it did too. Where did you think that you were gonna go? Through the window? Through the
walls.
I don't know what we're doing.
Neither do I, but I'm following you. Now she looks depressed. Inu,
Good job.
she's got a lesbian on the mind.
No, she's secretly lesbian. I know this.
We all are. Like Alex said, we're closet
Oh, that's true.
lesbians.
We're closet lesbians. But we don't hide it.
But how does that work?
How does that work, though?
Get out of my head! Like now!
It's not necessarily how it works. It's just we're comfortable with our sexuality to know that we are straight and we don't give a hoot what people think. Power to the gays.
Shitty Fort Lauderdale! There goes the windshield wipers!